suddenly started again. With the movement of Taladhwaja right behind me, the Rath Yatra has already begun again. Now, yesterday, due to some technical issues, the whole procession delayed. But now it has again started, and compared to yesterday's crowd, the crowd is way less today, which is making easier for the devotees to get a better grasp of the moment. They're enjoying it, and they're having a gala time right now. You can see right behind me Tala Dwaja, behind it the Dwarpadalana, and way behind it is the Nandi Ghosh. Every one of them will come down to this road, the Grand Road, Bodadanda, and go towards Gundicha Temple. People are very excited right now. You can see this kid over here saying Jai Jagannath with her tiny hands. See, the beauty of this moment is that everybody come together. This three chariot, the three sibling deities, that's the beauty of it. So stay tuned towards the post life with camera person Niranjan. This is Saurav. Jai Jagannath.